Hello and welcome back to Get Great at Maths. I'm here to help you pass your maths exam, so hit that like and subscribe button. We're going to look at keywords, key formulas and how to gain top marks. So let's get ready to get great at maths. This is a question on fractions, decimals and percentages. You have got 5-digit cards, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And you're told you need to use 2 of the cards, so any 2 of these cards, to make a fraction. You can see your fraction written out here, equivalent to 25%. And then you need to use 2 of the cards to make a fraction equivalent to 0.4. Each section will be worth 1 mark. Now your key facts. You need to know that the digit is an individual number, so all these numbers that you can see here are all digits. You need to know that the word equivalent means exactly the same. So the decimal, the percentage here of 25% can be written as a fraction. What is its equivalent? So the equivalent means the same value. You need to know that percentage is out of 100. So here we've got 25% and the maximum percentage for a whole is 100. A fraction is how many you want divided by your total. So you've got to write 2 fractions. You need to know a decimal is 0 point some number. And you need to know the place values for decimals. So the first number after the decimal point is your tenths. And the second one will be your hundredths and kept going on further down. Now press pause. Using this information here, see if you can work out what the fractions will be. And then press play when you're ready to hear the answer. Fantastic work. So hopefully you've managed to come up with some answers. So we're looking at the first one, which is equivalent to 25%. Now we know percentage is out of 100. So if we start with 25, I add on another 25. So 20 plus 20 is 40. 5 plus 5 is 10, takes me to 50. I'm going to add on another 25. So 50 plus 20 is 70. Plus 5 is 75. Add on another 25. Takes me to 80, 90, plus the 5 is from 95, takes you to 100. So there are 4 25s that fit into 100. If you'd have done 100 divided by 25, that would have given you 4. Now we want to know what is equivalent to 25%. So one of these boxes here is equivalent to 25%. So that as a fraction is equivalent to 1 over 4. Now you could have written 25 over 100 because 25 over 100 is the same as 25%. You would then have to cancel that down because you have to use single digits. So you then need to know that 25 over 100, 25 divided by 25 is 1, 100 divided by 25 is 4, so 1/4 is equivalent to 25%. Most of you should know that 25% is a quarter. It is a fact, but you should just know off the top of your head. The next one is a fraction equivalent to 0.4. Now 0.4, the 4 here is in the tenths column. So I've got 0 ones and I've got 4 tenths. So 4 tenths means 4 out of 10. 4 tenths is 4 over 10. Now the digits 10 is 2 digits. There is no 10 up here, so we have to cancel this fraction down to find an equivalent fraction. Both these numbers are even, which means they're both in the 2 times table. So that means we can halve both of the numbers. So half of 4 is 2, half of 10 is 5. So my equivalent fraction is 2 over 5 using these values here. Give yourself a big tick if you got that correct. Well done. The mark scheme shows 1/4 for part A for 1M, which means 1 method mark, and 2 over 5 also for 1 method mark for part B. It does say on the right hand side, do not accept equivalent fractions. So if you'd have written 25 over 100 or 4 over 10, you would not get the mark for this. So you had to write it in its simplest form. If you found this video useful, please share, like and subscribe so we can all get great at math. If you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to share, like and subscribe. Please follow Get Great at Maths on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook and X. What do you want to see next on Get Great at Maths? Please comment below. See you next time.